exiled on the run. Flee the city and chase the sun, 'cause we're exiled, Caribbean bound. But I hope this damn boat don't run aground.
Yeah!
I have to hook up the boat to a mooring pole, and apparently it's difficult, so I watched some YouTube videos yesterday. So let's see how it goes.
Just be careful out there.
It's... Ew, it's dirty! Oh shit! Okay, and now, shit! I think I got it! Ooh! Yeah, it's tied up. It's there now. You gotta back up, I think. It's going underneath now.
What?
It's underneath now.
How did you tie it? Is the line straight? Is the line clear?
The line is clear. The line is... I got it here.
Let go. The line. Let go. Let go. Let go of the line.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be, you tied this. What did you do?
I put it through the loop. Like,
And then what?
well, the thing is there.
Watch out, please. Excuse me. I'll show you something. What you're supposed to do, if you remember, this, you know, you got all this shit in the way,
That's another line.
and it doesn't belong here now, does it?
I don't know.
Well, if we're trying to get this thing.
Yeah, it's in the front. It's around the anchor here. Here. Yeah.
I didn't like that at all. Here, you have the first glass.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To our first night on a mooring ball.
Yes. And let's hope we stay on it all night.
I feel dizzy, but my headache is disappearing when I do it.
Well, yeah, it's a little rolly out here, so we get waked a lot, so.
After coffee and yoga, we let go of our mooring ball and headed to Ego Alley. We wanted to get a good head start and see what Annapolis had to offer. We also wanted to beat the crowds at the public dock. We had no idea how lucky we were, but we ended up with a free dock right in front of the boat show building.
Easy, easy.
Do that again.
Which way shall we go? Which way did we? Oh, we were going this way.
Now she washes herself to clear the bad energy off of that guy that tried to rape her. Look at that. That's a she. He was attacking her, and at the end, I saw it.
On the morning of December 4th, 1783, George Washington assembled the Continental Army at Bowling Green Park in New York City and sent the men home after years of service to their nation. With nothing but their shirts on their backs and their guns by their sides, they returned to their families, unpaid for their efforts. The following morning, the general had breakfast with Hercules Mulligan and thanked him for his service to the nation, before boarding a ship on the East River that would carry him here to Annapolis, Maryland. At this very State House, Washington would read his resignation as the Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army, and then, in the most profound moment in American history, bow before their assembly and present them with his sword. He returned power to the people. His hero Cincinnatus had done so long ago, but no conqueror had even entertained the idea since. Running the army during the Revolution, Hamilton recognized the deficiencies of the Articles of Confederation and began rallying support for a strong central government to replace the weak system still in place. Hamilton held a convention here at the State House. 7 states attending were needed to achieve a quorum, and only 5 bothered to send representatives. However, he used the opportunity to discuss boundary disputes, currency and trade issues, and pushed to conduct a larger gathering in the near future. While it was not until the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia that we would have a strong central government, the seeds of federalism were first planted right here in Annapolis by Alexander Hamilton.